I remember the first time I saw you. You were walking back from the trailers at school. Fast forward to 1 year later, I'm sitting at the firehouse when a text pops up on my phone. Hey, is this Mike? It's Kate. Now, I've never won the lottery, but I'm pretty sure at that moment I knew exactly what it felt like. And then, I didn't hear back from you. For about 10 years, but who's counting?
Thank you for making Kate an ace of Bollens. That means more to us than you know.
I'm so happy she has found her other half, a best friend, an awesome dad for Ace. Mike, I guess I'll step down now. And 2 more little boys for all of us to love. It might be total chaos most days, but it works and is so beautiful.
Mike, you have raised 2 amazing kids, Tristan and Tanner, made a home for them, and now have added the most amazing addition, Kate plus Ace.
You can look at Mom. Ace.
Thank you for sharing your dad with me, loving me, and allowing me to love you with all of my heart. I vow to not be hopeful, optimistic, but to be sure, to be damn sure. And I am so sure of our life together. No matter where life leads me, I know that as long as you are there, it's exactly where we are meant to be.
If you've spent any time around Kate, you know that it takes a village. I see a lot of heads nodding. Kate, take a look around and the people who are part of your village. And you know who you are.
I feel that every day you give me a new answer to the thought I had when I first saw you. Wow, who is that? You are someone who loves deeply and unconditionally. You are the best mother to our 3 boys over there. And you are someone I can give a million reasons not to love me, and you will give me 1,000,001 reasons why you do. I love you forever and always, Kate Werneckes, and that will never change.